Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. I am your host, Pawan, and this is your daily briefing on financial news and updates for 6th October 2023. Today, we will be diving into the latest developments that are shaping the world of finance and its impact on the global markets. So let's get started. In a major development, RBI held its Monetary Policy Committee meeting yesterday, and they decided to keep all the key rates unchanged. So first, let's see what is RBI's MPC committee. So the MPC stands for Monetary Policy Committee. It is a committee constituted by central government and it is led by RBI governor. It is having 6 members, 3 members from the RBI and 3 members from the central government. Now it held its meeting quarterly. The minimum quorum for having this meeting is 4. The Monetary Committee decides on the key policy rates, and the main objective of this committee is to decide on the inflation, to keep the inflation under check. So it is a good news for the economy. The rates have not been increased. This is the 4th time in a row that the MPC has decided to maintain the status quo on the repo rate. The MPC raised the repo rate last in its meeting in February 2023. So it has been quite a long time since they have increased it. And now the MPC also gave the GDP growth projections for FY 2024 at 6.5%. They kept it unchanged, and the inflation target is also unchanged at 5.4% for FY 2024. So very good news on the economic front. RBI is positive, and they are also positive about the inflation. It is not like the other rating agencies who are predicting that the inflation will rise in the second half of the FY 2024. Now, next news: Haryana government has waived penalty of rupees 8,000 crore on outstanding property tax. The Haryana government, after they rolled out property IDs for online property management system, they have identified that areas of rupees 8,000 crore rupees is spending towards the property taxes. They have waived this off, and they want now the people to continue paying their taxes continuously and regularly. Now, the IT sector is really under a lot of pressure, but a small ray of hope for them. The fintech funding has recorded a surge of 68% in July to September quarter. They clocked a funding of $436 million in July to September quarter. Though it is still lower than the $967 million target dollar funding raised in the corresponding quarter last year, but then also we can be hopeful because the trend is now towards upward movement of funding. Another news: now RBI has decided to strengthen the internal ombudsman mechanism across all its regulated entities. Scheduled commercial bank, non-banking financial companies, that is NBFCs, prepaid payment instrument issuers, and credit information companies, that is CICs. This framework is already in place with scheduled commercial banks, but now they want to make it applicable all across the entities, and also to bring about uniformity in operational matters for the ombudsman framework. Now, towards the IDBI disinvestment process, the government is going ahead with the IDBI disinvestment process. They had asked for expression of interest, and on January 7, many domestic and foreign players expressed their interest to buy 60.72% stake in IDBI Bank. Now they have extended the deadline for appointment of asset valuers. Now, for our benefit of our viewers, what is asset valuer? Asset valuer is the company or entity who will carry out the fair valuation of all the assets and liabilities appearing on the balance sheet of IDBI Bank. So This will bring the valuation, and then people will start bidding for the stake. The government is offering 30.48% from on their part, and 30.24% from the LIC, which is the current promoter of the IDBI Bank. Now, moving on to business news, the Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, that is ADIA, is going to invest rupees 4,966.80 crores into Reliance Retail Investment Venture, Reliance Retail Venture Limited. This will be 0.59% stake in RRVL on a fully diluted basis. This makes RRVL, that is Reliance Retail Ventures Limited, this gives an equity value of rupees 8.381 lakh crores, which makes it among the top 4 companies by equity value in the country. So good news for Reliance Retail and Reliance Industries, because it is just currently not listed and subsidiary of Reliance Industries Limited. So good news for their investors. TCS is showing confidence in its business, and just to reflect this, they are planning to do a share buyback. You are seeing that the IT companies share, they're taking a beating in the stock market. They're hitting an all-time low, though the business is not bad, but as the outlook is dim for them, the share prices have taken a beating. So now, to infuse confidence in the investors, the TCS is planning to do a share buyback. It will come up for the discussion in its next board meeting on next Wednesday. Last time it brought back shares worth 16,000 crore in 2020. On the regulatory and development front, FCI has got rupees 70,000 crore in half year 1 in FY 2024. Though its target for fiscal support to food subsidies, it currently estimated at rupees 1.37 lakh trillion. So a lot has to be done by government towards the FCI. And major non-financial development, the jailed Iranian activist Narges Mohammadi has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for 2023 for her fight towards oppression of women in Iran. She has been fighting since 2003, and since then she has been arrested 13 times and has been convicted 5 times. In total, she has been sentenced to 31 years in prison. She is still in jail. She is still in prison, but this recognizes her efforts towards the fight for human rights and freedom for all. So that were the today's headline. I hope this will be beneficial for all of you. That's all for today's financial news and updates. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for another insightful session as we navigate the ever-changing landscape of finance. Thank you for watching. Until then, I'm signing off. Bye-bye.